Hello, good morning students. Today we will discuss 10th biology respiration. Till now we had discussed the nutrition process in life process, nutrition completed. Today we are starting the respiration. Well, it is believed in lower classes that taking air, breathing and give out breathing, that is called respiration. But it's not true. That's the part of respiration, but that's not respiration. Basically, respiration has three parts: breathing, gaseous exchange, and cellular respiration. Basically, respiration is the energy generating process, the life process in which energy is generated by the breakdown of glucose, that is called respiration. It is also called cellular respiration because it takes place in the cells. Which cell organelle? In which cell organelle? Mitochondria. So respiration is the process. Respiration is the biological process. That respiration is the life process in which energy is generated by the breakdown of by the oxidation of the glucose in the cell. That this is called respiration. Respiration is there are three processes of respiration. First is the breathing. Second is gaseous exchange. And third is cellular respiration. In respiration, there are three processes: breathing, gaseous exchange, and cellular respiration. Breathing is taking air in the body, that is called breathing. Breathing has two parts: inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation is the process in which gases is taken in the lungs, that is called inhalation. X means out. Exhalation is the process in which air is given out from the body, that is called exhalation. In inhalation, oxygen is more and CO2 is less, while in exhalation CO2 is more and oxygen is less. Gaseous exchange. In the lungs there is a part alveoli, we will discuss tomorrow. Gaseous exchange means in the blood vessels, mixing of oxygen and release of CO2 in the blood, that is called gaseous exchange. It takes place in the alveoli and between the cellular lungs tissue and the blood vessels. Cellular respiration, it's the true respiration. In cellular respiration, आपने लास्ट ईयर सेल डायग्राम यू के सेल पढ़ा होगा, उसमें एक सेल ऑर्गेनल है, जैसे ये सेल होगी, सेल के अंदर एक माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया था, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के अंदर होता है सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन. सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन भी दो प्रोसेस में होता है. पहला होता है सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन दो प्रोसेस. पहला ग्लाइकोलाइसिस and cellular respiration. Glyco means glucose, lysis means breakdown. Let's discuss deeply. In respiration, first of all, glucose molecule is breakdown and formed pyruvic acid. Pyruvate is formed, and in the mitochondria, in the presence of mitochondria, in the mitochondria from the pyruvate, energy is generated. Let's see how. Glucose C6H12O6. This is the glucose 6 carbon atom molecule. Glucose in the cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm, glycolysis takes place. And pyruvate is formed. pyruvate is formed. From the pyruvate, three possibilities are there. First, presence of oxygen. अगर पायरुवेट से ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस में, अगर ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस में हो दैट मीन्स इन द माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, तो बनेगा CO2, वाटर एंड एनर्जी इज रिलीज्ड. एनर्जी इज रिलीज्ड. अगर ये एब्सेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन हो रहा है दैट मीन्स एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन. किसमें? ईस्ट में. तो क्या बनेगा? CO2 तो बनेगी प्लस क्या बनेगा? इथाइल एल्कोहल बनेगा. लेकिन बट इसमें कम एनर्जी जनरेट होगी. अगर ये एब्सेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन हो रहा है किसमें? मसल सेल में. तो क्या बनेगा? लैक्टिक एसिड बनेगा. यहाँ ये अगर रेस्पिरेशन ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस में हो रहा है तो एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन, और अगर एब्सेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन हो रहा है तो एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन. अभी डिस्कस करते हैं. तो मसल्स में बनेगा लैक्टिक एसिड बनता है जिससे मसल्स क्रैम्प होते हैं. अब ये तो थी रेस्पिरेशन के प्रोसेस. अब बात करते हैं रेस्पिरेशन की टाइप्स. रेस्पिरेशन इज ऑफ टू टाइप्स, एरोबिक and anaerobic. Different most important for the board exams. Aerobic means air. Respiration which takes place in the presence of oxygen. Aerobic respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen, and anaerobic respiration is the absence of oxygen. That means anaerobic respiration is that respiration which takes place in the absence of oxygen. It takes place in the higher plants and animals. And it takes place in the lower plants and animals like yeast, muscle cells, bacteria, etc. In aerobic respiration, more energy is released. इसमें less energy is released. ओके, तो ये प्रोसेस ग्लाइकोलाइसिस तक तो प्रोसेस सेम रहता है, चाहे वो एरोबिक हो या एनारोबिक हो. ग्लाइकोलाइसिस तक प्रोसेस बोथ प्रोसेस आर सेम. बट आफ्टर ग्लाइकोलाइसिस पायरुवेट से एनर्जी रिलीज होने में वो डिपेंड करता है प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन हो रहा है या एब्सेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन हो रहा है. तो ये आपके डिफरेंस मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है. तो आज हमने बात की रेस्पिरेशन, उसका बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट, टाइप्स ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन, एरोबिक एंड एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन, डिफरेंसेस मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर द एग्जाम IBU है 2019 में. इसके रेस्पिरेशन के प्रोसेस. और in the next lecture we will discuss about the human respiratory system, and this was all about the respiration. Thank you.